Hi guys, good morning everyone. Now we are going to see how to insert record. Just open Visual Studio and SQL, go to File and click, and we are doing website application, so website. If you want to do any something other, go for project. Project for it's a Windows application. Now click website. It will ask file path where you want to save this project. Just project website 1 ASP.NET website, just OK, and here you can select Visual Basic or Visual C#. Now we are going to see Visual C#, just OK. It's added. Here so many things unnecessarily added. It's all some feature we don't want complicate more, just delete. No need global and master. Delete this default also. Just web config enough. Right click. How to add ASPX page in this? Just right click this one and add new item. It's open. Web form, master page, web user control. What are we deleted here? That item also displaying here. Suppose you want to add style sheet, class, or data set, or anything you can add. Report for generating report. These are one by one. You can see future slides. Just go to web form. Here you can change the name also. Just I put home. Add. It's added. See, the file name came, and right click, view code. This is the code section. Now we are going to see design. Just add table, just one table enough. ID, run at server. See what is this? Just I created one table, one tr, two td. It's mean that two column. It's not. This one ASP text box. You have to create like this only text box. txt id. It's meaning for this text box naming convention, naming, and this one. Now create one more column. You can give name. Here one more text box, id, txt name, run at equal to server, and one more thing, just I put city. One button we need. One button we need for, we are going to save, no, for that we need, it's needed. Sorry, it's button. id equal to btn, run at equal to server. Here one more you have to give text. It will appear on the button. Save. That's it. Now you can see it in demo. View it in browser. Right click, view it in browser. It's asking save. Click yes. It's loading localhost, website name and home.aspx. See, ID came, name, city and save. Now when you give enter this value, when you click save, it should save it into database. Just right click, view code, otherwise design. You can see the design. Design, right click, view code. Here we are going to do code. Just save button, double click, it will open the code section. Here we are going to use code. Here you have to add some namespace, system.data for creating dataset. System.data.sql. We are using SQL, so that's why we are creating SQL client. That's it. Here SQL data adapter, add a new SQL data. This is connection. We are going to give connection string CNN. This connection we are going to give here dataset ds equal to new dataset. Then fill this. That's it. This is the actually code for everything. Whatever you do, manipulation or DDL, DML, this is one is enough. O+ code giving you and guide you. Main purpose for this 3-line code you memory or understand. This 3-line code enough to do anything. You can insert, delete, update dataset, getting the record and upload, fill everything. How we are going to see one by one. Just giving the connection in web config. Go to web config. Connection path already something is there. Can give this one. Delete. Connection string you have to give. Just the SQL server and here database name. I'm giving test. Save. And one more thing, configuration you have to add. That's it. Configuration. Manager dot connection string. What is this CONN? This is connection. We are giving connection name. That name, connection string where it's coming, that name. That's it. Now we are here. We are going to give what is the table name and appropriate values. Just go to SQL. This is the database, how it's opening and everything. You already I thought that. Just right click and test. You can create new database. In this test, we are going to create one new table. Just right click. New table. loading slowly. It's open. Just field name. What all we created? ID, we are giving integer, allow null, just remove that, and name, my name, nvarchar 50, and city nvarchar 50. Just save this table. City table. Okay, just okay. Table created. Just click this one, new query, it will give you very fast. You can do by code wise. Select star from city. Select this and execute. You can see ID, my name, city. Now we are going to fill that one. Here, insert into city values. Here we are going to fill the value. What is this? Now you have to give one single quotes and double quotes, plus give space and again double quotes and single quotes, give comma. How many things you want? Just 3, so you can create 3. Here you want to give txt id dot text. Here name, second what you want to say, name, txt name dot text, txt city dot text. That's it. Now we are going to see. Just refresh. One plus code.com and city name India. Yes, sir. Now we're going to see. Before, when you click this one, empty. Now check it. Maybe some error. How to test this? Maybe it's not binding properly. It's loading. Now we are going to check. That's it. See, here we got. Before what the error, it's not actually error, it's not binding properly. You have to run just bin problem. That's it. Thank you guys. Next video we can see. Hi friends, welcome again oplusco.com. Now we are going to see about update part in SQL. How to do update in this. Already we seen insert in this process. Now we are going to next step, update. Just if you see previous video you can get that one. Now see, go to this is already I declared ID, name, city in previous section insert part. Now we are going to see update part. What all needed? Just one update button and some few lines of code. Just go to next this one. Create update button. You can give next line or same line, no problem. I will give here only ASP button ID equal to btn update, run at server, and here you have to give text update. That's it. Go to design, click update, double click, update code part generated. Now we have to do code for this one. Earlier I said just 3 line code enough for insert, update, delete, anything for a data set, require or do anything. Just this 3 line code enough. Again I show you how to do. Just copy this. Otherwise you can type SQL data adapter new SQL data adapter connection part and data set new data set. Again, so that's it. This 3 line code only I am going to use. How to do? Here we used insert part, insert query. Now we want to do update. So update query, update table name, city, set, which field you want to change, ID, name, city. So here we want to specific which row you want to update. So that part we are going to give where part, where condition. Now name and city we have to change. Give name, single quotes, double quotes, plus, space plus, double quote, single quote, comma, and city, single quotes, double quotes, space, plus, double quotes, single quotes, comma, where ID equal to same. Here you have to pass the value. Name you have to call name, txt name dot text. City, here you want to give city dot text. Here ID, you have to mention the ID. Here txt id dot text. That's it. This is the code for update. We want to see the update now, so that's why we are giving one more to show the database value. One button for show, create one more button, ASP button ID equal to btn show, run at server, text equal to show grid. Okay. Go to design, show grid, this part. Here you want to bind the grid, so we need to create one grid. Go to source, create one more table to display table down, or else you can give tr also next tr, no problem. ASP grid GRD show run not equal to 7. That's it. Go to design, show grid click. For this also same 3-line code, you don't need to change anything. Just call this 3-line and copy paste, or else you can SQL data adapter, new SQL data adapter, comma CNN data set, new data set. That's it. That same 3-line code only I am using again. Just go to here. You want to display the table. So select star meaning for all the value. So city. That's it. We want to bind the database value to grid. grd show dot data source ds dot table 0 and grd show dot data bind. That's it. Now we're going to see. Just build this, view it in browser. It's loading. Just show grid. Some problem came, light, I will check it, that one. Time period of records. See, we got this. We are earlier we insert not that record. Now I show you one more record. ID 2 testing and city Chennai. Just save. Records out, show grid. Save. Now we want to do update. So you can put on drop down and select data binding. You can assign also. Time being I will show how to update. Now already we have 2 testing Chennai record. Now ID 2. So here keep it this 2 and we want to change name and city. Just go to testing. I put testing. Earlier we put testing. Now I put test. Just see update. Lead column. Sorry, I gave wrong name. I gave my name. I gave. Just save and reload. Continue. Update. Now show grid. See, we got value. Yes. Thank you guys. See you next video. Bye. Hi guys, welcome back. Now we are going to see delete part in Visual Studio, and that updated will go to SQL Server. Here we see. Go to source. Here the button already we created. Just next and go to home. For clear understanding, I am doing this one. We are going to do delete part now. Just create one button, ASP button, ID, btn delete, d run at equal to server text delete. That's it. Close it. Just go to design, delete came. This is what earlier I said, no, just 3-line code, just same line. Here also I am going to use just SQL data adapter, new SQL data adapter, data set, ds equal new data set. That's it guys. This 3-line code again is same. I am not changing any code. That 3-line only. Here we have to do SQL part. Now what you have to do for delete? So you have to delete from table name city where on which row you have to specify. ID equal to double quotes and again single quotes. That's it. Here you have to pass the value txt id dot text. That's it. So id it will take and it will delete. Just go and check it. Just reload. Delete came. Already I show grid first 1 2. Now we are going to delete 2. So ID already 2 is there. Just click delete. Deleted. Show grid. See guys, we got. Thank you. We will see next video. Bye.